Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called God's Will from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. God's Will. If it's God's will, just know He will conspire on your behalf. For God's will cannot be thwarted, and it cannot be avoided. Whether you make a difference in a few lives, or you make a difference in a million lives, every difference you make creates a brighter humanity. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about 3 things you are grateful for from yesterday. So if you are able, please close your eyes and think about those 3 things from yesterday that you are grateful for. I am grateful for my wife. She cooked me a beautiful dinner. Amazing. I'm grateful for the hugs from my kitty. It was extra huggy yesterday. And I'm grateful for finding a new thing for my editing program. Again, I keep finding these new things. It's amazing. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.